How to add multiple videos in one reel. It's pretty quick and easy, so before starting the video, subscribe a YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Instagram. If you want to add more than one video on one reel and you want to make your reel attractive, just click on the plus icon and then go to the reel and then select the video from your gallery. If you want to record any video, you can do this. Just click on that layout first and then select the layout of your choice. If you want to add two videos, just select that second one. If you want to add more than two, you can select the layout of your choice. You can record video here, and if you want to upload anything from your gallery, you can go to your gallery. Just select first video you want to add as a reel, and then go to your gallery again and select the other video. It is picture. Here's the video. Just select another video and then you can drag this video from left to right if you want. Just select the third video and then click on add. As you can see, I have added 3 videos in one reel. Just click on the next and it's processing your video. It's creating your video. Just wait until it's complete. Here it's done. Now you have to click on the next and you can easily upload this reel to your Instagram account. If you want to add any music as a background, you can add music. If you want to add any sticker on this reel, you can add any sticker to your reel here. And once you complete it, just click on the next and you can easily post it as a reel on your Instagram account. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.